The mayor of Washington, D.C. declared a public health emergency in response to the thousands of migrants arriving in the nation's capital by bus from Arizona and our state right here in Texas. Just this afternoon, Texas Governor Greg Abbott said the state has bused more than 10,000 migrants to sanctuary cities. That breaks down to more than 7,900 to the nation's capital since April, and more than 2,200 to New York City since August, 300 to Chicago. KXAN's Anna Warnicki has reaction from lawmakers in D.C.
This week, the mayor of Washington, D.C. declared a state of emergency in the nation's capital as busloads of migrants from Texas keep coming.
We are not responsible for a broken immigration system.
Texas and Arizona report that approximately 9,400 people have been bused to D.C. since April. Texas Republican Senator Ted Cruz defended the decision, saying the border communities can't handle the surge of migrants arriving every day.
You go to South Texas, the jails are full, the hospitals are full, the schools are overflowing, disease is rising, crime is rising.
The emergency declaration in the district allows the city to establish an office to provide services to the incoming migrants with a $10 million investment.
All human beings need to be treated with dignity. And frankly, no disgusting racist stunt by the Texas governor should stop us from doing just that.
Democrats criticized Texas Governor Greg Abbott for sending the buses in the first place.
I think the motivation is really ugly.
But Texas Republican Senator John Cornyn says D.C. is only seeing a fraction of what border communities are faced with every day. He's calling on the White House to respond.
I think if that's what it takes to get the attention of the mayors of those cities, who can then hopefully get the attention of President Biden and his administration, that it's worth it.
In Washington, I'm Anna Warnicki.
We reported earlier this week that Texas has spent more than $14 million sending buses of migrants to East Coast sanctuary cities. That is according to documents from the Texas Division of Emergency Management. Now, the math works out to be about $1,700 per migrant. Those records also show the most expensive part of the trips are security personnel. Irving-based Wind Transportation charged TDEM more than $61,000 for just the security guards on May 20th, a day when 19 migrants arrived at the nation's capital.